In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close an trade account. Closing your trade account is a bit more involved than simply pressing a delete button. Instead, it requires a formal process involving transfers or customer service. Don't worry, I'll guide you through this step by step. Let's start with the recommended option, closing your account the standard way. First, it's crucial to ensure your account is completely empty. This means you need to sell all your stocks or ETFs, transfer your investments to another broker using an ACATS transfer, or withdraw all remaining cash to your bank. Remember, trade will not close an account that still holds money or positions. This step is important because it ensures a smooth closure process without any hiccups. Once your account balance is zero, you can move on to requesting the account closure. Log into your trade account and head over to the customer service or support section. In the How Can We Help section, you'll need to click on Show More Topics. From there, look for and click on the Close Account link. This action initiates the closure process. After that, you'll be asked to confirm the closure. Choose the account type you wish to close and then click Continue. Trade will take it from there, verifying that everything is settled before processing the closure. You'll receive a confirmation email or message once it's done, giving you peace of mind that the account has been successfully closed. Now let's discuss the alternative method. If you find that online closure isn't available, you can call trade directly for the fastest method. The number to dial is 1-800-387-2331. Once connected, simply say, "I want to close my brokerage account." The representative will guide you through the process and confirm the closure manually. This method can be quicker as it involves direct interaction with a customer service representative. Before we finish, here are some important notes to remember. Unlike a social media account, you cannot delete your trade account instantly. This is because trade must legally keep some records even after the account is closed. Additionally, closing is only possible when the account is fully cleared of all funds and investments. These regulations are in place to ensure compliance with financial laws and protect both the account holder and the brokerage firm. With all these steps in mind, you should now have a clear understanding of how to close your trade account efficiently. Whether you choose the standard online method or the quicker phone call, the key is to make sure your account is emptied and all necessary steps are followed. This ensures a smooth transition and avoids any unnecessary delays. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any further questions or need additional support, feel free to contact eTrade's customer service. They're there to assist you and make the process as seamless as possible. Remember, following the right steps ensures a hassle-free experience. Good luck with closing your trade account and have a great day.